crazy, my baby. I'm not myself lately. I'm foolish, I don't do this. I've been playing myself. Thinking I don't care. Your love still lonely. You gotta be strong, and I don't care who sees. The love's gotta be. You gotta be strong, and I don't care who sees. Baby, you got me. You got me. You got me. Pwedeng tumayo! Pwedeng tumayo! Pwedeng tumayo! Pwedeng tumayo! She might have let you go ahead in school, but I can show you how to graduate. I don't need to be the top. Show me what you know I'm getting. Just take your heart. Stop and don't say a thing. Anybody could be good to you. You need a bad girl from your mind. Anything to the girl. I know the right thing all over you. Wait a minute, let me take you there. Wait a minute. Anything that comes to your heart. I know you want it. I want you to have it. Wait a minute, let me take you there. Wait a minute,
This nigga got his face in the pot, this nigga so dark as fuck. Sweating on fire, we winning in a little, we tipping in the pot of blue smoke. This tripping, I will get a bag in it, and that could go. Ain't robbing it, bang bang, packing it, queen, nigga, dominant, prominent.
if we just see an army, if they test me, it's sorry.
Riding stuff like a Harley, them 2 months in this Ferrari.
Banging is banging.
Phone ringing, it's slinging.
Ain't a karaoke night, but get the mic 'cause I'm singing. B to the A to the A to the G. Wala pa sinawag dito. Singing how it could be good to you. You need a bad girl to blow your mind. Pag tumalik ka na, bakit ka? Wait a minute, take you. I'll let you have it. Wait a minute, let me take you. Bang into you. I know you want bang, see. I'll let you have it. Wait a minute, let me take you there. Wait a minute, tell me. Thank you guys for watching. Pero bago ang lahat, meron akong pakulong. Hoy, nakikinig ba kayo? Sige, ito para sa mga VIP. Tingnan nyo ang mga upuan nyo na may, kung sino may nakalagay ng envelope sa upuan. Kung sino may nakalagay ng envelope sa upuan, sino? Punta po kayo dito sa harapan. Ay, si ate! Thank you so much! Ay, by the way, ang dalila. Punta na kayo dito. So, lahat na nakatanggap ng envelope, let's say thank you to the first principal, NYC.com. Punta po kayo sa stage. Lahat na nakatanggap punta sa stage. Punta ng lawa. Ito ang first principal, ang merchant, kapag may birthday, may bigyan, at may funeral. Okay? Lahat, akyat daw. Akyat daw dito para yung ano. Thank you, Miss Lovely. Nasaan na si Miss Lovely? Maraming salamat, Miss Lovely, for sponsoring me tonight.
Lahat, tawagin mo!
Ay, paakyat na! Utang ng loob! Dahil may picturean natin. Uy, kung Congratulations! 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 Congratulations!
Yo, nakita dito natin. Akyat. Isa lang bawat
Picture lang tayo niya, Kat.
Wala.
meron din lahat.
Oh. Meron tayo?
Mami, congratulations! Congratulations!
Casey, 15 tables dapat.
15 tables to kaya 15.
Tingnan po, baka meron pa. Oh, tingnan po, baka meron pa. Ay, isa lang.
Hindi naman si ate, si ate. Picture tayo. Mami, picture po tayo. Mami, picture ka muna, mami. Sige. Salamat po. Yes, ate. Diba? Sila po ang mga birthday celebrants.